Alright, yes guys, it's Emma Roman and today we are going to Paris. So I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do or what the content will be like. Nonetheless, I'll show you guys as much of my trip as I can, but without making it too long, boring, monotonous, I don't know. Anyways, let's go. Okay, alright, so I just really had to find a small corner so I could actually record because there's too much people here and it's so, I'm claustrophobic honestly, so I can't even film because I don't want people to be in my video and we are so close that I don't know, we are just too close together, too tightly packed, and so I'm trying to figure out where to go, so I might not record as much because I'm 100% lost, but I'll figure it out. Okay guys, so it's the first time since I've got to Paris that the place is this empty. Going on the trains, you have a lot of people. I have to hold my things quite dear to me. I didn't have space to move. There's so many people here. It's crazy. But anyways, yeah. So see you guys whenever I get where I'm going because it's around 7 now. I'll reach late in case, but maybe I'll just record tomorrow, I think. I don't know. Alright, so apparently I took the train just to go back where I'm coming from. I'm so confused. This always happens whenever I'm traveling and I didn't even know where I'm going. How do I even exit here and go over there? Oh, you go there. Ok, la hostia, tío. Estoy aquí. Ah, joder. Después de tanto tiempo. Okay, so let's see where I need to go. I can take this damn mask off. It's so annoying. Anyways, I'm going to try and figure out where I'm going. Then I'll maybe bring you guys on the journey. So let me consult Google Maps. Y'all see that sun wanting to set there? It looks real nice. Why do I look so like I'm gaining weight? Okay. Joder. I'm sexy and I know it.
I'm sexy and I know it.
Okay, so let's figure out where to go. Alright, so based on the map, I think I'm going in the right direction. Alright, so I haven't shown you guys anything really interesting, but hopefully you guys will appreciate it nonetheless. By the way, quick question though, but before that, take a look at the view. Not an exciting view, but nonetheless. Alright, so do you guys know how some persons look super attractive, amazing, when they wear that mask? Like me. No, when I wear the mask I think I look awful, but when I take it off I look amazing, like gorgeous. But for other people, when they wear the masks, a lot of them seem like really cool, really beautiful, really handsome. And then when they take it off, it's like, like it's a scream. Con la droite, okay. Let's go droite. Alright, so while walking, so let's talk to you guys. Okay, so what do you want to see in France? I'm pretty sure you want to the Eiffel Tower, but that's like, everyone, you've seen it before. I've even had it in some of my old videos. I will put a link here so you can check that out. So what do you guys want to see here? Even though you can't answer in time for me to show you because I'm already recording and I'm already here. Yeah, anyway, so I'll do this one for you guys. I'll show you random stuff. Alright, so next interesting question. How do you know when someone is interested in you? Like, one time for me it was the stare. Like, if I'm staring at you like mad crazy, it means I'm somewhat interested. So anyway, so there's this girl on the train. I think she was with her boyfriend, but she was staring at me like, giving me those deadly beautiful eyes. But then, could just be that she's like,
He's ugly.
or she could be like,
I cut the hair, I do that, I do that.
I haven't checked Google Maps in a while. Hold on. I need to see if I'm in the right direction. I think I am. Yes. Yes, I am going the right direction. I just need to continue until I hear votre destination est arrivée. Yeah. Alright, so do engage you guys in more discussion. I don't know. Do you guys want to hear me talk? Of course you love my voice. Like, you like my voice, right? Alright, to be honest, I'm just walking at this point in time, hoping that I will encounter something interesting. Nonetheless, I don't want to bore you guys. Hopefully you can even hear me with all this noise, so I might just stop filming and show you when something interesting is happening, I guess. Alright, I think I've arrived. Actually, I've arrived a long time ago. I was just on the other side and I didn't know, because I forgot the name of the hotel, and so it's here. That's so cool. I was hitting the light switch, it wasn't coming on, and I was wondering what the hell. But then I had to use the card again to get the lights on. That's super cool. Anyways, let's show you guys the room. That is the problem. The light kept going off, so I had to put my card in the thing to keep the lights on. That's strange. You know, it's really strange. Plus, the bathroom door doesn't lock, or I don't know how to lock it. So it'd be strange to have my roommate coming in on me. You see, the bathroom, it's quite spacious. It's quite spacious. Lovely, lovely spacious. It's all right. Beautiful. Who is that sexy thing? Okay. Alright guys, so I left the room. I will comment on the room a little later or maybe tomorrow. So I'm going to meet some of the other guys who are at the train station so I could take them to the hotel. So you know what's interesting? After having made this tiresome journey, I thought about it. I'm like, wow, that was really simple. Now that I know what to do, the journey doesn't seem so complicated. So life lesson. When you know something, life becomes easier. Or when you learn how to do something, life becomes easier. So it might be difficult now, but when you've been through it, you'll see how you'll see how easy it is. So don't stress it. Whatever your challenge, whatever your problem, don't stress it too much. It will get easier, and that's a promise. Alright guys, so I am ridiculously tired, so I just decided that I needed to make this quick video because it's important. I don't want to forget. So a quick review. The door takes really long to open. The swiping card takes too long, and I thought it was just me, but then I saw someone else having the same problem. Anyways, joder, no me importa, vale. Entonces, en la mañana me voy a dormir. Hasta luego, buenas noches, chao.
The next morning.
Alright, yes guys, good morning. So I just showered, my hair is a bit wet, but anyways, you may ignore that. So I'm going to give one final negative review of this place. I think this is my final negative review, and that is that the beds are too close. Yeah, the beds are super close. It's almost like they're one. And if it's two separate beds, it shouldn't be the case. But that's just me being real picky. That's just me being real picky. And if you want me to be even pettier, then I'll find another fault. I think the cold water in the bathroom is not cold enough. Because even when I max it, it's still not cold enough. I'm just like chilling and showering. But that's if I want to be super petty. Nonetheless, I'm not going to be super petty. So I am going to have breakfast now. And then after breakfast, or maybe after lunch, I will give you guys a positive review of this place, because there are a lot of positive reviews. Yeah. So I just wanted to get all the negative ones out. Unless I eat and then that's a negative review, but it shouldn't be. Alright, so and I see you guys soon. And before I leave, guys, I absolutely love the view. Hold on, I'll just flip my camera.
2 hours later.
Alright, so let's give you my positive review of the hotel. So the first positive thing is that the staff is super friendly. Correction. There's a girl I met, she was super friendly. I couldn't tell if she was super friendly or she was into me, but for example, so we're there just lightly talking, just lightly say, hey, oof, I'm tired, when you just arrived, the small talk, alright? And then when I was walking in, she's like, hey, where are you from? Which is normal. I'm like, Jamaica. I'm like, she's like, I knew I heard an accent. I'm like, oh really? She's like, yeah. And from there we just started talking, and she should be working, she stopped. And she was there, and I'm like, in my head, I'm like, am I disturbing her? I'm like, nah, but she seems interested, and her energy kept going up and up. I'm like, oh well, I guess it's okay for me to distract her for a few minutes. And then I asked her about her, and we were talking, and I'm like, oh, we're going somewhere, but I was super tired and I had something to do, so I said, hey, so I'll see you later. Then when I went up to the room and I went back, she was again super friendly, super nice, amazing. So I would use her to speak with the staff and say the staff here is friendly or she's friendly. The second thing is that the room. So I personally like the room because there's a big TV, even though I don't watch it, but I'll show you guys. I think I showed you guys at the beginning. Nonetheless, I'll take a picture and put it here, I think. There's somewhere to hang my clothes right there. There is somewhere to put my bag, my computer, a table, a big mirror, that's awesome. The bathroom is spacious. So that to me is a plus. As for the bed, very, very comfortable. I really like it. It's high enough, it's soft enough. I slept like a baby. Now, in terms of the food, well, there is variety. There's
chocolat. So I started these things. I think that there's croissant, there is pain, there's baguette, there is gâteau, gâteau chocolat, gâteau de fruits, je crois. There's tea, all types of tea, chocolate espresso, coffee, black tea, green tea, all types of tea. Chocolate, a lot of different teas. There are fruits, there's cereal. I think it's like the normal stuff. There's cheese, different types of cheese. Cheese is devil stuff, but for me, it was pretty good. So I like it, so it's a plus for me.
all in all, maybe a 7. Oh, and something I forgot to mention is that there is a charging port directly outside the door. You see it here. I find that a little bit weird because why would I charge my phone at the door? But maybe it's useful for someone else. Maybe. I think. No, this is just crazy. For the entire goat, 59 euros. Wow. Alright guys, so by now you would have seen that this isn't your typical Paris where I show you the Eiffel Tower and I show you the big cities and Champs-Élysées and all of that. No, this is just showing another side of Paris that looks normal. Yeah, so hopefully you'll enjoy that. Alright, so we're going to be checking out the shopping center. I'm not sure what there is, but hopefully there's something interesting. Alright, so next thing, so there's actually a pool here, but the thing is the pool belongs to the other side of the hotel, so you can't really use it unless you pay. But we won't pay. Alright, so here I am again on our side of the hotels. Even though we don't have direct access to the pool, at least we have this outside sitting place. It's really nice. I don't know what you call the sitting place. Like, you can eat out, or you see, at least you have this. Yeah, I have no idea what this video looks like, to be honest. It's just a lot of talking, but anyways, you guys like hearing my voice and seeing me too. More. Quelqu'un se marier? C'est ça? Mariage. Okay. Oh, joder. Ça c'est Paris. It's like a nice playground. Yeah, kids are playing, don't want to film them, so I'll see what is there to see. There's a workout thing here. I'll maybe take some shots and see what that's about, or I don't know. Try going up there. Okay. Alright, so yes guys, it's your boy Roman and we are here again. This is the end of the day. I'm really tired. You can see the view. Hold on, let me show you guys. It's wonderful, eh? It's really wonderful. It's amazing. It is amazing. It's like New York City of lights. Alright, good. So basically I'm super tired. Unfortunately, I didn't get to film much because I'm on a business trip. So we start at 10 in the morning and we end at 10 in the night, like today. So it's really crazy. And the few minutes we have to take break is for lunch, dinner, breakfast, or a pause, a break. So it's really don't have much time. So hopefully I showed you guys a lot. So this video might be so random, I'm so sorry, but I hope you enjoyed it nonetheless. Alright, so I don't know what to solve video, so yeah, see you guys. Alright, so yes guys, it's your boy Roman and we are officially at the end of our video, the end of our trip here in Paris. A different side of Paris, not the usual Paris. Anyways, before I move on guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate that, would be super cool. And if you have not already subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and well, yeah, subscribe. Also share it with a friend. Tell someone about it. It doesn't matter, it doesn't have to be a friend, a family member, your enemy. I don't know, just walk around and say, hey, this is what Roman writes. Alright, I'll put it on the t-shirt, but hey, sell the thing. Well, not sell it, but promote it. So anyways, I hope you guys really enjoyed it. There's been a lot and yeah, I just simply mashed it all together. Hopefully that made sense to you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and of course you will because I am a part of it. Anyways, yeah, what plans do you have for summer? I don't know what plans you have for summer. If I haven't told you that I am planning to release, well, I would like to say start releasing 2 videos per week. What do you guys think? Yeah, nonetheless guys, with that said, hope you had a blast. I had a blast and see you guys. Ciao.